Good day and welcome to our short explanation and demonstration of how to use something you already have to record your desktop and any audio that is coming to your machine, including you speaking. So let's get to it. The short version is it's PowerPoint. And before you say, well, I don't want to use PowerPoint, well, you're just using it to record what's going on, and then you can immediately dump it, and it has nothing to do with PowerPoint in the end. So let's get to it. So at this point, let's say I want to record something in Excel. So I'll just click Start, and I'll start Excel here. There we go, and wonderful, Excel is up. Now, I want to record what I'm going to do here because I'm going to do a demonstration. So how do you do that? Well, start PowerPoint. And in PowerPoint, just start a new one. It doesn't make any difference what you call it because we're not going to use PowerPoint after this. And what you do is you simply click Insert and then go all the way to the far end and click Screen Recording. Now in Screen Recording, you'll see this little window comes up. You want to make sure that the audio is selected. And after that, you select the area, which I'm going to select the entire screen. So I'm going to go over here and just drag down. There we go. And now I'm going to click Record. There we go. So I'll put 10 plus 25. There we go. And I'll just do a sum here. Isn't that nice? Wow, is that ever sophisticated? Okay, now I also decided I want to record a YouTube video. So how do I do that? Well, not a problem. Just go to YouTube. And let's pull something up. Let's go on this one. And I'm going to skip this ad because I don't think we really care about the Nissan ad.
So although Tesla's front fascia at first, but after seeing it on the road for a couple...
There we go. Now I want to get rid of that. And at this point, I'm done. So that's all the recording I want to do. So I'll click Stop. You can also edit it in here. So just right-click on the video and select. You've got Style and Trim and Start. So let's go through those. So I'll do Style. And well, I would like it to be brought out a little bit. I will go to that. I've decided the start of that was a bit of a mess, so I'm going to just slide the bar along here. You can see that is the entire video. Let's just get rid of the first few seconds to show you how it works. So I'll set it so that the 10 is already in there because I remember typing 10 in there. Click OK. Okay, so I'm going to undo those two changes, but just by pressing Control Z so that we get it back to what it was. But if you wanted to leave those settings, you could. And now you can see, well, here's the video. And you think, okay, but that's in PowerPoint. So I want it 10 plus. Right, so get it out of PowerPoint. Easy to do. What you do is right-click on the video and select Save Media As. Save it as an MP4. MP4 stands for Motion Picture 4. It's from the Motion Picture Association. You can call it whatever your heart desires. I'm going to save this in my downloads, and I'm going to call it Test Video 1. How's that? And boom, there it is. It's gone. Now I'm going to close PowerPoint, and I'm not even going to save it. Nope, don't want to save it. Gone. Don't want to save the Excel. All gone. So here it is. Let me double click on it. There we go. So I'll put 10 plus 25. There we go. And I'll just do a sum here. Isn't that nice? Wow, is that ever sophisticated? Okay, now I also decided I want to record a YouTube video. So how do I do that? Well, not a problem. Just go to YouTube. I'm going to skip through this to make it faster. So you can see here that it records whatever is coming through the microphone, as well as recording everything on the screen. But it does not record system audio. So audio that is playing through your computer is typically not picked up. Now there are a few exceptions to this that I've found from testing, such as sometimes recording video conferencing, GoToMeeting, Teams, things like that. They seem to be picked up better. I'm not sure why that is, but it does seem to work. But you're going to need to test it if you're worried about the audio. All right, that's it. If you have any questions or concerns, please get a hold of us at www.urtech.ca. Thank you. Bye-bye.